Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Kid Murph. We're back with another banger, and this is part 2 of how to make a Photoshop like thumbnail on Android. And yeah, let's get it. So today it's going to be all about PNGs and how to make them. So go to black document and you set it to 1000 by 1000, just so that you get a square like that. Then now you look for the picture that you want to make a PNG. So guys, I ended up finding this over here, this picture right over here, and we're gonna make this one a PNG. All you gotta do is this, like just crop it out nicely, and then now what you gotta do, guys, is tap on this icon right over here, this thing over here, and then go to this wand over here, this magic wand tool, and then change it to scribble selection tool. Now once you've done that, all you gotta do now is choose keep over here. Don't choose remove, choose keep, and then select all the parts that you want. Just make like a long line like this, like just draw out the whole character or something. Maybe zoom in a little bit just to get everything in. Maybe the ears too, like that. The ears for his cap. And then make sure you get his arm, his fingers. Now the simple part, you just choose remove, and then start drawing like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and boom, you got that. See, it literally knows what you're trying to do. And then now if you see that not everything is selected, you can go back to keep and then try and select some more, and then it's going to try and do that for you. Then do some more over here, then choose remove so that you can get all of this over here. Just continue, go back to remove, carry on doing that. Then you got that. Now we move on to the other side to check if everything is selected, but nope, it's not. So you carry on removing stuff. Now it looks like that. Just make sure everything that you need is selected. This kind of needs patience, guys, so you'll have to be patient when you're doing this sometimes. Sometimes it's pretty simple, like you just have to do basically one stroke and then you're done. Sometimes. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. And then now you tap on this button right here, this one right here, and then you choose extract, this one right here, right at the bottom, in the middle at the bottom. You tap it and then it does that. And now you tap that same button that I told you about last time, this one over here, then choose deselect so you can take out the pixels and stuff. And then just to make it look more cool, you guys can now do this. Just put an empty layer, select pixels, go to that empty layer that you just put in, fill in stroke, change the type to stroke, the width, maybe put it on like 8, and then take that, just deselect. Actually no, that looks crappy. I gotta go back now. Now we're gonna change that that width to 4 because number 4 looks okay. Okay, now you deselect, put a drop shadow. Now it's starting to look like this, and then merge it down. And then now all you gotta do is put a drop shadow. Now it looks like that. And then if you want to brighten it up a bit, just press this thing over here, and then choose color balance, put everything to 100%, then it's gonna look like this. Actually looks pretty cool to me, but I don't know about you guys. Y'all can change it if you want. Then you can just put a background if you want, maybe for your thumbnail. I just chose a random background, so it would look like this. Epic. Yeah. So guys, I know this video was pretty short because it was just talking about the PNGs and stuff. And I want you guys to get me 30 likes for part 3. And yeah guys, that is literally it. And yeah.